Sup guys, how's it going? Evolving Skies in the house. I am so excited to open up this pack. I've been waiting for a while. So let's get into it. I think the card trick is still the same. So, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of sucks that it's a green code card, whatever. Fighting Energy, Toy Catcher, Raihan, Avalugg, Teddiursa, Mareep, Zorua, Tentacool, Hoppip, Pumpkaboo for the reverse, and Gigalith. Okay, not the greatest, but it's my first Evolving Skies pack, and I'm super excited to open up more. Thanks for watching. Bye.